Hello, great day. I'm John Raymar Aidares, 32 years of age, or please call me John. I live in Pandakaki, Mexico, Pampanga. My experience on sales and customer service is I used to work in a Japanese company for 10 years handling customer packaging materials such as cartons, plastic, styro. My key accomplishment on this job is continuous development of new items and additional client every year. Additional sales total of 1 million every month. The challenges I overcame on this job is even there is a many NG, delivery problem, flood, typhoon, I overcame it with a critical decision and critical thinking, making way to deliver it and serve it to the client for customer satisfaction. My drive to succeed is my family. I see my children growing up. Great. My name is John Raymar Aideres and I'm an intake specialist. My role is to gather the details of your story and prepare the necessary documents. Once we're done, I'll hand your file off to your assigned attorney, who will begin preparing your case. I've reviewed what you've shared in your form. Thank you for being open. The more details we have, the stronger your case can be. I'll ask a few follow-up questions to complete your file. Is that okay?